I gotta decide where the four corners will be. Try and make this thing square. Let's get some marker rocks. Scallop shell for a marker. That one. Six feet, perfect. All right. I can already tell that's definitely not square. That's the hardest part, squaring something, so it's 9 foot. Okay, those 4 scallop shells, that's our corners. Now I use these cornerstones. So really all I've got done so far is just put up these 4 uprights and got the roof roughed in. Still got to shingle the roof at some point. The next big thing with this place will be put the walls on and a couple barn style doors out the front here. For that we gotta go mill some more boards. But for now I'm just gonna give her some more supports and call her good. Be able to move the forge in here and start blacksmithing right now.